welcome to the first lecture of this module. In this lecture, we will be diving into the basics of understanding the fashion industry. By the end of this lecture, you will have a solid understanding of the different segments of the fashion industry, key players, and current trends. First, let's talk about the size and scope of the fashion industry. The global fashion industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry that encompasses a wide range of segments including luxury, fast fashion, and independent designers. These segments have different target audiences, business models, and strategies. Now, let's talk about the segments of the fashion industry. Luxury fashion brands are known for their high-end, exclusive designs and premium pricing. These brands often have a long history and a strong heritage and are synonymous with luxury and exclusivity. On the other hand, fast fashion brands are focused on providing the latest fashion trends at affordable prices. They are able to move quickly to keep up with the latest trends and often produce their collections in-house. Finally, there is a growing segment of independent designers who are using e-commerce as a way to bypass traditional retail channels and reach customers directly. These designers often have a unique point of view and may specialize in niche market segments. Now, let's talk about current trends in the fashion industry. Fashion is constantly evolving and changing, and it's important to keep an eye on the latest trends in order to make informed decisions about your own fashion brand. Some of the current trends in the fashion industry include sustainable and ethical fashion, streetwear, and gender-neutral clothing. Finally, let's talk about key players in the fashion industry. These are the brands and designers that are setting the trends and shaping the industry. Some examples of key players in the fashion industry include Gucci, Zara, and Off-White. That's all for this lecture on the introduction to the fashion industry. We've covered a lot of ground, but there is so much more to learn. In the next lecture, we'll dive deeper into creating a strong online presence. By the end of this lecture, you will have a solid understanding of the different segments of the fashion industry, key players, and current trends. This information will be a valuable foundation as you continue to learn about the fashion industry and how to start and grow a successful e-commerce business in this space. This is an exciting and dynamic time for the fashion industry, and understanding the latest trends and how technology is impacting the industry is crucial for success in the e-commerce space. Throughout the module, there will be interactive activities, quizzes, and assignments that will be used to test your understanding of the topics covered in the module. I encourage you to take detailed notes and ask questions as we go through the module. This is a lot of information to absorb, but by the end of the module, you will have a deep understanding of the fashion industry and the opportunities and challenges of starting an e-commerce business in this space. Exercise, research and written report on a key player in the fashion industry. Objective: to conduct research on a key player in the fashion industry and submit a written report summarizing the findings. Exercise instructions: 1. Choose a key player in the fashion industry, such as a luxury brand, a fast fashion brand, or an independent designer. 2. Research the brand's history, target audience, business model, and strategies using credible sources. 3. Prepare a written report that covers the following topics: an overview of the brand's target audience, the brand's business model, the brand's strategies, and how they have contributed to the brand's success. A brief analysis of the brand's current position in the market. 1. Submit the report via the course platform and be prepared to answer questions or have a discussion with the instructor or classmates through the platform's chat or forum feature.